Sheraton Samui Resort. One of our top picks in Chaweng Noi Beach, a Mediterranean-style hillside resort. Sheraton Samui Resort is located on Chaweng Noi Beach in KOH Samui. This family-friendly resort features a free-form beachfront infinity pool and a saltwater garden pool with a spa pool area. Guests can enjoy an invigorating workout at the fitness center or a game of tennis, followed by a pampering spa treatment at Glow Spa. The resort's lobby lounge offers complimentary high-speed internet and Wi-Fi. Chaweng shopping and entertainment areas are just 3 kilometers away from Sheraton Samui Resort. Samui Airport is a 15-minute drive away. Airport transfers can also be arranged for an additional charge, featuring balconies that let in the ocean breeze. Rooms at Sheraton Samui come with an LCD TV, a refrigerated minibar and tea-coffee making facilities. The spacious bathrooms have a bathtub and separate shower. Slippers and a cotton bathrobe are also provided. The 4 restaurants and bars serve local and international dishes. Coco Spice Restaurant is situated by the garden pool and features an outdoor terrace, while Longtail Restaurant offers all-day beachfront dining. Cocktails can be enjoyed at the Blue Monkey Bar on the beachfront terrace. Drinks and snacks are served at the lobby lounge.